Hey friends, it's Nicole and welcome back to my channel. Today is actually the 31st of July, so tomorrow is August 1st, which is Sunday. So I'm planning for the week of August 2nd, and I'm so excited for it being August. August is my birthday month, so that's always super fun and exciting, and kids go back to school, and we'll just see. I think August is gonna bring maybe some normalcy to our lives. But I am going to use the August subscription kit for this week because the PR girls are doing, well, they announced that they were going to do a planner party. So I think that would be super duper fun. And I'm so excited, guys, because I am on the PR team this time. So excited. It's such an honor. I'm so thankful. I feel so blessed. So I appreciate everyone and Tasia, and I love LiQWYD Design, and it's fun to get to PR for my favorite shop. So if you guys go to the website and shop, just put in my name in the notes, or you can put Nicole10. I spell Nicole with an H, Nichole 10, and you'll get 10% off your order. So that's super fun, and I'm so excited, and I'm just really appreciative for the opportunity to support the shop and have fun with stickers while doing it. So it's perfect. Okay, so you guys can tell that I already used this kit, but that's what's great about these kits is you can use them whenever. There's enough to do a whole month's worth, so about 4 weeks. And then now I know that Tasia does the $2 Tuesday single sheets, so you can buy those to add or enhance. I think what I want to do is this really pretty like hot pink. I think that's so pretty. And I also pulled some washi, which I think pulled some washi. I like pulled all the washi almost to kind of play around with and see how I want to do it. And I also I've grabbed these before, but I haven't used them yet. These are the die cuts, like the summer die cuts, the critters with their sunglasses. So fun. I love their little eyeballs poking out. Adorable. And then I have, this was another like summer grouping. It had palm trees and a sun and this bus. And I wanted to maybe use this also because on Tuesday we're going to try to go to Kennedy Space Center again and see the launch. We went yesterday. Yeah, the 30th yesterday. But it actually was, the mission was scrubbed. So we ended up just going and like doing all the activities and like the theme park side of it. I don't know if you can call that a theme park. It's like well, it's a space center. But it's really cool if you guys haven't gone. Okay, so that's super fun color there. Other than that, next week is like really just up in the air for me. I don't really know what it's gonna look like. Even Tuesday is not 100% for sure. My husband and I still haven't really completely decided because it's, hopefully he'll be able to take off work to go. I love these two. I think I'm gonna cut them out and use them. And I might even use these words. I don't know what I'm doing with this spread yet, so bear with me, friends. I'll figure it out. Let's see. bottom washi down, and y'all can't see anything. Oh, let's see what we want to do. I love the lemons. I have lots of full boxes and headers. So I ended up grabbing and pulling from the Cousins S'more kit. I think I am going to use some of these guys and add them. friends, that was quite the adventure. Sorry that most of this is music, but oh, my lighting just changed. I was trying to oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I was trying to figure out what to do. I obviously had none of this in mind when I was thinking this through. You guys saw what I started with, but this is what I ended up with. And I hope you guys enjoyed the plan with me. Thanks for hanging out. I can't wait to see you guys next time, and I hope everyone has a wonderful week.